Welcome to Pivot Online, your source for cutting-edge technology and online income opportunities. In today's video, we're diving into the heart of the AI revolution, where ordinary individuals are turning their homes into income-generating powerhouses. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making a potential $28,650 per month from the comfort of your own home in 2023? Let's dive in and discover how you can potentially earn $28,650 per month in 2023 with these 4 AI hustles. Selling AI coffee mug designs. Discover the potential of AI-driven coffee mug sales, your new side hustle. Create and sell unique coffee mugs with AI-generated designs using tools like Midjourney. Turn your passion into profit with this innovative venture. Imagine earning thousands each month selling coffee mugs, just like successful Etsy sellers. One seller amassed 42,000 sales, equating to $1.45 million in revenue. And here's the kicker. Many sellers avoid the hassle of printing and shipping by relying on print-on-demand services like Printify, focusing on what truly matters: design. Thanks to AI, designing captivating mugs is a breeze. Midjourney, a text-to-image generator, transforms text descriptions into stunning designs in seconds. Gone are the days of painstaking manual design creation. AI streamlines the process, offering endless possibilities, from cute cat illustrations to intricate patterns. You don't need to be a design expert. ChatGPT can provide ideas in seconds. In a nutshell, this AI-powered side hustle revolutionizes coffee mug design, enabling rapid, easy creation with limitless potential for growth and profit. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, AI coffee mug sales open exciting opportunities. If there's enough interest, future videos may provide detailed guidance on this lucrative AI-powered side gig. Selling Midjourney prompts. Now let's dive into another captivating AI side hustle. This innovative opportunity involves selling prompts designed for advanced AI programs like Midjourney, enabling the creation of stunning art and designs. It's a fusion of creativity and technology, offering significant potential for entrepreneurs in the AI-generated artwork realm. The allure of this side hustle lies in its simplicity and high demand. AI-generated art often relies on prompts, which are specific instructions for AI to generate designs. Many individuals, artists, and businesses lack the expertise or time to craft these prompts. Entrepreneurs step in, offering pre-made, imaginative prompts suitable for AI applications like Midjourney. The income potential is remarkable, and this is proven by an Etsy seller who offers Midjourney AI prompts for around $20 each. This seller has garnered nearly 19,000 sales, indicating substantial earnings. The market for these prompts is vast, catering to artists, designers, and content creators seeking unique AI-generated creations. Selling these prompts is straightforward, especially with the power of AI tools. Using ChatGPT, another potent AI assistant, you can easily generate prompts for Midjourney. Instruct ChatGPT to create prompts tailored to specific themes or styles, swiftly accumulating a collection of distinctive and creative instructions. Once you've compiled a repertoire of these valuable prompts, you can list them for sale on various platforms, serving individuals in need of AI-generated artwork assistance. The demand for such prompts is substantial, making it a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs in the AI niche. This side hustle not only lets you harness AI's potential, but also empowers other artists and creators in their creative pursuits. It's a win-win situation where your expertise in crafting effective prompts meets the needs of a thriving market. Selling Midjourney prompts is an exciting AI side hustle with significant earning potential. By offering valuable prompts that ignite the creativity of artists and designers, you can establish a profitable presence in the growing world of AI-generated art. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Selling AI prints. This side hustle harnesses AI to create and sell art prints, potentially transforming your creative passion into a profitable venture. Imagine generating mesmerizing art with AI, offering abstract designs, landscapes, or intricate patterns effortlessly. AI tools like Midjourney can bring your artistic visions to life. These digital artworks can be turned into high-quality prints perfect for decorating spaces. The market for art prints is vast, with individuals and businesses seeking unique and visually appealing pieces for their spaces. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 provide a marketplace for selling downloadable prints. If you prefer a hands-off approach, print-on-demand services like Printify handle printing and shipping, letting you focus on creating designs. Creating AI prints is efficient. AI tools swiftly generate diverse designs, catering to different tastes. This broad audience increases your sales potential. The earning potential in this niche is awe-inspiring. For instance, a seller on platforms like Etsy amassed 111,000 sales, totaling $7.57 million in earnings from selling art prints. This highlights the high demand and profit potential. If you're creative and passionate about art, selling AI prints offers opportunities for artistic expression and financial growth. Whether you opt for digital downloads or print on demand, this AI-powered venture opens doors for your creativity. Selling AI patterns. Let's now explore selling AI patterns, our final AI side hustle. This creative endeavor uses AI to generate intricate patterns, often called digital paper, blending artistic vision with technology and offering tremendous earning potential on this AI-driven journey. Patterns are essential in various industries, from fashion and interior design to digital media, and AI has made pattern creation more accessible than ever before. The demand for unique patterns is constant, with artists, designers, and businesses always seeking fresh and innovative designs for clothing, decor, digital backgrounds, and marketing materials. AI tools like Midjourney help you effortlessly create a wide range of patterns, from florals to geometric designs. You don't need to be an experienced artist. AI handles the heavy lifting while you focus on curating and organizing patterns. Once you've amassed a diverse pattern collection, you can sell them as XXX digital downloads on various platforms. Patterns are versatile, appealing to craft enthusiasts, graphic designers, and fashion designers. The earning potential is unbelievable. Depending on the uniqueness and quality of your patterns, you can set competitive prices for digital downloads. Overhead costs are minimal, primarily your time spent creating and organizing patterns. Your income grows as you expand your collection and reach a broader customer base. So if you have an eye for design and a passion for creating unique patterns, selling AI patterns offers limitless possibilities for creative exploration and financial success, combining artistry with technology. The Pivot Online Verdict. The true magic lies in the democratization of creativity, enabling individuals of all backgrounds to enter the creative economy. Beyond profit, these AI-powered side hustles open doors to artistic expression and entrepreneurial success. As we conclude, remember that AI and creativity continue to reshape our world, offering a pathway for anyone to transform their passions and ideas into reality, revolutionizing our interaction with technology and art. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.